Cooper, you don't want to use your fork? Or your spoon? No? You shove it in your mouth like that? Here we go. Here, you want that? Here, no. Here, want that? Oh, boy. Here, buddy. No. Oh, boy. Oh. Isn't that good? No, get that spoon out of there so you can just use your hands. Cooper, is it good, buddy? Oh, Mommy's gonna have to wash that shirt tonight. Boy. Oh, boy. Oh. Okay. Is it so good? Hey, Coop. Hey, look at Mommy.